What if I told you that the most important breakthrough for easing an enlarged prostate isn't surgery, medication, or an overpriced supplement, but a vitamin so basic and powerful it can start reducing discomfort in less than 24 hours? Picture yourself no longer standing over the toilet at night waiting for a weak trickle. Picture sleeping soundly again, waking refreshed, and living without the constant worry that your prostate is controlling your life. The surprising truth is that most men past 60 have never been told this, and that silence is stealing their health, energy, and confidence. My name is Dr. Moit Kara. I'm a board-certified urologist, and for more than 3 decades I've devoted my career to helping men restore vitality. I've sat across from thousands of husbands, fathers, and grandfathers searching for relief, and I've seen how the right information, delivered with compassion and grounded in science, can transform not just a man's prostate, but his whole life. Here's the irony. The vitamin that unlocks relief isn't rare, isn't costly, and doesn't come from some exotic herb. It's something your body has quietly been lacking for years. Yet the medical system rarely mentions it, leaving men to believe their only answers are endless prescriptions or invasive procedures. That changes today. In this video, I'll uncover the 5 most effective vitamins for prostate health, nutrients proven to calm inflammation, restore urinary flow, and return control of your nights and confidence. And stay with me, because before we're done, I'll show you the fastest way to take these vitamins so they begin working in less than a day. This could be the moment your prostate, and your life, has been waiting for. Before we start, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss prostate health advice designed specifically for men over 60. After watching, share your thoughts in the comments. Type 1 if you found this useful, or 0 if you'd like me to improve it further. Now that you see why this overlooked vitamin has been hiding in plain sight, let's begin with the first truth every man over 60 needs to hear: the silent struggle of prostate enlargement, and why recognizing it early is the first step to true relief. His nights were restless, his days drained by fatigue, and the closeness with his wife had nearly disappeared. His lab results confirmed what I had suspected: a hormonal imbalance. Too much testosterone was being converted into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, the compound that drives prostate growth. And just as I expected, his vitamin K levels were also low. Research is very clear on this. Vitamin K, especially the K2 form, plays a key role in regulating the enzymes that control hormone conversion. By guiding how testosterone is processed, it helps prevent the surge of DHT that enlarges the prostate. At the same time, vitamin K is crucial for calcium balance. Without it, calcium often ends up in soft tissues where it doesn't belong, creating calcifications inside the prostate that worsen blockage. When vitamin K is restored, calcium is directed properly into the bones, leaving the prostate more flexible and less stressed. But what stood out most in Dennis's case wasn't only the science, it was his transformation. After just a few months of increasing vitamin K through food and supplements, he came into my office with tears of relief. He said he was finally sleeping again, waking only once instead of several times each night. He felt renewed energy throughout the day, and with a shy smile admitted that intimacy had returned to his marriage. What he once believed was a permanent decline turned out to be a correctable imbalance, one that vitamin K helped resolve. The truth is, many men don't realize how common deficiency is. Vitamin K is found in greens, fermented foods, and select animal products, yet modern diets often leave these out. Add in the fact that aging reduces absorption, and deficiency becomes widespread. Fortunately, replenishing vitamin K is both simple and life-changing, whether through diet or smart supplementation. I often remind my patients that prostate health isn't about fighting one single problem, but about restoring balance throughout the body. Vitamin K helps create that harmony, but there's still another step you must not ignore. Because no matter how beneficial these vitamins are, if they're not taken the right way, their full effect may never reach you. And once you learn the proper method, the results can come faster and stronger than you ever expected. 6. The right way to take it. One of the most common mistakes I see men make is assuming that just buying a bottle of supplements will solve the problem. I understand why. It feels like progress, but the truth is that how you take these vitamins is just as important as which ones you take. Over the years, I've had countless men tell me, "Doctor, I've been taking vitamin D," or "I eat almonds every day for vitamin E," yet they saw little improvement. When we looked closer, the issue wasn't the vitamins themselves, but how they were used, wrong timing, wrong dosage, or paired with the wrong foods. Take Walter, a 74-year-old retired engineer. He was disciplined and precise, yet still struggled after months of trying on his own. He bought quality supplements, added nuts and vegetables to his diet, but the nightly bathroom trips never stopped. When I reviewed his routine, the answer was clear. He was swallowing fat-soluble vitamins like D, E, and K on an empty stomach with water. His body simply couldn't absorb them. After changing his approach to take them with meals containing healthy fats, everything shifted. Within weeks, Walter's urinary flow improved and his nights were less interrupted. He realized success wasn't about effort alone, but about precision. There's another critical factor: consistency. Taking vitamins sporadically won't give your body the steady support it needs to heal. Like every organ, the prostate responds best to routine. Skipping days or stopping too soon denies it the chance to recover. And quality matters. Many cheap supplements are loaded with fillers, dyes, or doses too weak to work. Some even use inferior forms that the body struggles to use. That's why I emphasize choosing the right form, the right dosage, and products made for men over 60. But supplements are only part of the picture. When combined with the right foods, their impact multiplies. Pair vitamin C-rich fruits with nuts, or enjoy leafy greens with healthy fats, and your body absorbs and utilizes them far more effectively. That synergy is the difference between slight relief and a real breakthrough. I've seen men regain their energy, their sleep, and their confidence once they finally learned how to take these nutrients correctly. 7. A simple daily plan. Knowledge alone won't change your health, it's action that matters. Without a routine, even the best intentions fade. That's why I encourage my patients to follow a simple, sustainable daily plan. I recall Richard, a 70-year-old carpenter, who had bought all the right vitamins but saw no change. His problem? Inconsistency. Some days he took them in the morning, other days at night, sometimes not at all. His body never stabilized. We built him a structured plan, step by step, and within weeks, his symptoms improved. He told me, "Doctor, I finally feel like I'm building something again, this time for myself." Here's how easy it can be. In the morning, take fat-soluble vitamins D, E, and K with a breakfast that includes healthy fats, eggs, avocado, or nuts. Add fruit like oranges or berries to boost vitamin C and reduce inflammation. At lunch or dinner, include leafy greens such as spinach or kale with lean protein. If supplementing, keep doses steady and moderate. Tie these habits to daily routines. Keep your vitamins near your coffee mug or take nuts while watching the news. Over time, these choices become automatic. A food journal can also help track progress. Remember, it's not about excess, but precision. 8. The missing piece every man must know. After decades of treating men with prostate struggles, I've learned the final truth. Belief and consistency make all the difference. Many men have the right vitamins and even a plan, but they fail because they don't believe change is possible. Hopelessness itself becomes the barrier. I recall Leonard, 76, who felt his condition was beyond repair. I reminded him that age isn't a prison sentence, and with effort and belief, progress was possible. He committed, and 3 months later, he was a different man, rested, confident, and grateful he hadn't given up. Your mindset is medicine too. The body heals when the mind believes in the process. Progress often starts quietly: an extra hour of sleep, fewer bathroom trips, stronger flow. These are the small victories that build into transformation, but only if you stay the course. Yes, vitamins are powerful, but without consistency, patience, and belief, their potential remains untapped. Conclusion: reclaiming your health, reclaiming your life. Prostate health isn't just about easing symptoms, it's about regaining freedom and confidence at any age. We began by acknowledging the silent struggle of enlargement and the overlooked power of essential vitamins. You've learned how they reduce inflammation, restore balance, and bring back vitality. You've seen that timing, quality, and consistency matter as much as the nutrients themselves. And you've discovered that the final key is belief, the conviction that change is possible. Your prostate does not define you. Your age does not dictate your strength. Each small choice builds a foundation for lasting health. I've seen men in their 70s and 80s regain energy, intimacy, and peace they thought were lost forever. So don't wait. Start today. Make the simple changes. Believe in the process. Because when you do, you give yourself back your nights, your energy, your confidence, and your future.